In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to download Tlauncher on your iPad. So let's get started. Now, first, let's clear this up right away. Tlauncher cannot be downloaded or installed on an iPad. Tlauncher is made for only Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it requires Java, which iPad OS does not support. So if you search for Tlauncher in the App Store or on Safari, let me show you Tlauncher. If you search it on App Store Safari, you won't find any official version of the iPad, like the iPad version. Any website or app claiming to offer you Tlauncher for iOS, iPad is either fake or unsafe. So you should avoid these completely. But now, if your goal is just to play Minecraft Java Edition, that also isn't possible directly on an iPad because iPad officially supports Minecraft Bedrock Edition, like the one you can see here. The one Minecraft app that I have here is the Minecraft Bedrock Edition. iPads by default do not support Java Edition, which you can download from the App Store here, the Bedrock Edition. However, there are alternatives depending on what you're trying to do. If you just want to play Minecraft on iPad, the safest option is to download Minecraft from the App Store, just like right here. This version works smoothly, supports multiplayer, and gets regular updates. But if you already have Minecraft Java on a PC and want to access it from your iPad or work around it using remote desktops apps is one workaround way. So using remote desktop apps with apps like Chrome Remote Desktop or Microsoft Remote Desktop, you can remotely control your PC from your iPad and then run Tlauncher there. Just keep in mind this requires a PC to stay on and strong internet connection. So to summarize, Tlauncher cannot be installed on an iPad directly. There is no official iOS version and Minecraft Java doesn't run natively on iPad OS, but you can still enjoy Minecraft through the App Store version or by remotely accessing a computer. And that's everything you need to know. Now you can choose the option that actually works for your setup. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.